What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chew. Today is January 14th, 2022. Updating the Second Nature channel a little bit, gonna start posting more of the vlogs. So what you're gonna see right now is from the last 2 weeks. I don't know when exactly I'm gonna upload this, but the day of recording this, it is January 14th. So yeah, without further ado, here is the last 2 weeks. Always got the fix on deck. You know the vibes. What's going on, really? What we doing? Ooh, young Modaka.
Back here filming stuff, you know what I'm saying? Getting things done.
Yeah, yeah.
If they go on me, keep the thing on me at all times.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Especially like you breaking down shit, like the whole thing's
You know what it is, baby? Look at the feet, look at the feet, look at the feet, look at the feet, look at the feet. I'm gonna take your sweet time too and shit. I'm like,
You got shit to do, right?
I know you got work tonight, but I'm off. Y'all tomorrow. We all together. Yeah.
Point to camera. Rock on. To the next. Baddest shit on town, dog.
Oh, yeah.
Bad ass.
Hey, Cameron.
Yes.
What we doing?
Right now, we just pulled up to the stew. I'm gonna go in there and hopefully make some freaking bangers, dude. We'll see.
Yep.
Did as much as I showed either. Like,
Wow. I wonder when this one was made too.
I think it's like recent, you know. Like, I don't think it's like some like OG shit, but
It looks like it.
Not
though.
OG, but I don't think they like print this one all the time. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Got Braun Master over here.
Where can I?
Find some bitches. No, I'm just
Yeah. This seems so fire. Yeah. Good old crafty.
Star Wars right at Disneyland a couple weeks ago, and that shit was crazy. Like, it looks so fucking sick, dude.
For real?
Yeah. Hell yeah. I mean, when you charge like $200 a ticket, it better fucking look sick.
Yeah. Like from there to like these,
Oh, yeah.
you hear the like empty fucking, you know, like. I'm trying to think of the best, like the quickest option, you know, like the easiest option. Let me like. I heard a difference in the two hooks. Let me find out what that is. Oh, there's more guitars for the second hook, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Come on.
Wait, let me put the gloves on.
That's why you gotta get the fronto leaf and then smoke fucking a small blunt.
You're a small blunt.
That shit still smack.
little bills, I need riches. Hey, gotta take shit in the back for these bitches. Hey, tryna fuck with me, you can, cause I need business. Hey, hold up, bitch, get money like executives. How many wins do I got from executive? Put me the floor for representatives. On shit, 1-0, got bars like a sedative. Well, I settle in. Spinning while I'm moving this 50 in and out. All in the water, windows up and steam pipe. All of that loud, shit. Bitch, I'm on top, ready to get it right. Cause the boy got a pop like a fish fry. And I'm way too big, this shit ain't high. So I got it all out like an old line. And it's still from the cops and the cosign. Coming to you live from the north side. Don't know how to do it, but these bitches be doing it. I love them like you, but they bitch, you're late and I'm too late. They get me there, but now you be loving me cause I'm too rich. Bitch, you stupid, I'm not Cuban.
I love that they heat up their barbecue sauce so it's like
Oh my
watery.
god, that smells so good.
Oh, this is gonna make my tummy hurt later.
Bruh.
What are we doing, Cameron?
We're making magic again.
Motherfucker, there's some magic right here.
Yo,
Yeah,
that should
no.
look that should look crazy, bro.
It smell
You're
crazy.
teasing this right now because we said we're gonna get food after this. So
Oh,
we're all
fuck.
just suffering right now.
Damn.
That's fucked up, bro.
Damn.
He's like, oh man, that's so sad. I'm so
Now
sorry.
we know why Coach took so long.
No, that's crazy.
Yo,
Bro, I woke up and this little Jordan was like, bro, this motherfucking bland. Goddamn, I got the motherfucking hiccup.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?